An autobiography on Queen Liliuokalani is being told through hula.
We decided to use this important moment of a platform to then educate people about what happened to Hawaii. And more important than just dwelling on the illegal overthrow of the Hawaiian kingdom, the overarching theme is really that the Queen was an example to us of how important it is to really make life's decisions and live, and how we nurture relationships with aloha.
Delicia Tonga says the 40-minute show can inspire many to appreciate their own culture.
Onipa'a was Queen Liliuokalani's personal motto and her mantra. And what it means in Hawaiian is steadfast. And it was actually a term taken from a phrase that she said, "E onipa'a ka'imi na'oao," which simply means be steadfast in the seeking of knowledge. As Māoris can appreciate, that also is in terms of our responsibility or kuleana to take care of the land and the ocean, to safeguard the language and the culture for future generations.
Tonga claims their show to be one of the most authentic experiences tourists can get.
We're able to take a medley of some of the songs she wrote about love and tell her life story up to the overthrow. And at the very end of the show, we want people to know that though this is the truth and it's what happened to Hawaii, the Queen's decision not to fight, but to abdicate her throne so that she could spare 25,000 Hawaiian lives, because that's all that we had.
Aloha, oi, aloha.
Queen Liliuokalani composed over 150 songs, including the famous Aloha Oi from Lilo and Stitch.
We are the only luau right now on the island that hasn't included a little bit of fire knife dancing and a little bit of Tahitian dancing. And we don't have to, because number one, we want to be Onipa'a, or steadfast, about honoring the Queen and the culture of our homeland, which is Hawaii. But we also can afford to not include the other islands because you can see them at Ha Breath of Life after the luau.
Tonga says they will continue to adapt the show over the years to help keep it entertaining for rangatahi to understand. Aaron Ryan, Te Ao Taputahi.